I did the formation of the moon with Megan, but she sadly isn't here tonight. So, the first theory of the moon forming was fission. That was disproven, and it was proposed by Charles Darwin's son, George. It was proposed that the Pacific Ocean was a scar from the Earth spinning super rapidly and expelling some magma rock stuff. And that is completely wrong, because they are so similar in their composition that it's not really... and then the moon is a lot older than the oceanic crust currently, so there's no way that could be right. Then the second theory was capture. It was popular until the 80s. And it could only work if the primitive Earth had a really large atmosphere, because Earth would have taken a moon from, say, Mars or Venus and just kind of pulled it in. But with a really large atmosphere, it would have bounced off and kind of be where it is roughly. But the oxygen isotopes in both the Earth and the moon are so similar that that could not be a coincidence. So there's no way that could be even plausible currently. And then the third theory is co-accretion. It suggests that they formed together at the same time. It doesn't explain how they're moving together, and then the moon has a smaller iron core than the Earth. So the Earth's iron core is 50% of its mass. The moon's is only about 25. If they form together, it should be 50 for both. And the current theory, the most popular one, is the Big Whack or giant impact theory. There was possibly another planet called Theia that hit Earth that ejected lava and rock, which would explain kind of the similar composition of both. It was about the size of Mars, and then the moon orbited at 1/10 the distance, so it was a lot closer. And then it became tidally locked, so we only see one side of the moon at all times, which explains why all of the moon rocks are similar to the ones on Earth. So they've got the same stuff inside.